noticed that great and terrible thing in the sky?
The sun? Big, hot, yellow?
So you know it too. I must be the one to defeat it. I have devised a special cream to combat its burning effects on the skin. But I require the juice of a special cactus. Go to the valley of the lone spiky cactus and get it for me.
Inside every hero in the What's the matter? Shed
That damn fool Cyclops is going to eat the cactus! Kill it!
Spell slots are ready. Feeding bag? Got that going for you. A credit to the breed. No one gets rid of me that easy.
This is why we get along.
Looks like magic's back on the menu. Leave it. No magic left.
Good. Now get back to the cactus and pick it up. Watch your fingers.
much. Ah, bloody prickers.
Nature is as beautiful as she is deadly, yes? Return to me. I must complete my cream. The sky orb has a little helper who spies on me from behind. Everyone says it's called a shadow, but I know what's really going on.